morning students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss this chapter 2 sectors of the Indian economy, some key words related with this chapter. In this previous days we discussed about what are the three sectors, main sectors of the economy, that is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. Then in this portion I am going to discuss the keywords. First one, intermediate goods. First one, intermediate goods. Intermediate goods means the goods used in the production of final goods and services are called intermediate goods. Different goods and services we are using for the production of final goods. Example, in the case of biscuit. For producing or manufacturing biscuit, we need different intermediate or we need different raw materials. This raw materials like flour, sugar, oil, milk solids, all these are the different raw materials or ingredients we are using for the production of or manufacturing biscuits. So all these goods we are using for converting or manufacturing a final product, that is biscuit, that we call it as intermediate goods. So intermediate goods are those goods which we are using for the production of final goods. Second one, goods and services. What is meant by final goods and services? Final goods and services are those goods and services that finally reach the consumers. We are the consumers. We are daily purchasing different types of goods for our daily consumption or for satisfying our needs. Then which things we can directly use, that type of goods we call it as final goods and services. In this case, biscuit manufacturing, this different goods we are using, these different goods we are raw materials or ingredients we call it as intermediate goods, and this intermediate goods all are making some process and converted into a final product, that is biscuit. So biscuit we can directly consume from the market, we can directly purchase from the market and use it. So that biscuit we call it as a final product or final goods and services. Next one is GDP, that is gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the total value of all the final goods and services produced in the three sectors in a particular year within the country. We know these are the three main sectors: primary, secondary and service sector or tertiary sector. All these three sectors, final goods means after processing or after using different intermediate goods or ingredients, we are processing and making a particular product that we can directly consume. That goods we call it as final goods. That already we discussed. That final goods of all these three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, all these three sectors, final goods we are taking and add up. All these three sectors, final goods we add up, then we will get a GDP, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the total value of all the final goods and services produced in the three sectors in a particular year. Suppose 2018, primary sector final goods total 1000 and secondary sector final goods total 2000, and then the service sector, tertiary sector, that is 1500. Then the total, the GDP, gross domestic product, is equal to 1000 plus 2000 plus 1500. That is 2, 3, 4, 4500. 4500 is the GDP of this particular year 2018. That for product within the country. Within the country means in India. Within the domestic territory, what are the final goods and services produced from all these three sectors? That total we call it as GDP. I hope you understood all these three main keywords in this chapter. I will come with more videos related with this chapter. Until then, bye.